I have discovered a completely new website that we have never discussed before that would pay you real money for performing easy chores. I also discovered this free program that will perform all of the work for you, so you may enjoy some passive income and make some money without having to spend hours finishing such tasks with no prior expertise and without having to invest any money. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. If you're serious about making something work, make sure you don't miss any steps. This is going to be completely free software that will perform all of the work for you. So as I previously said, you may generate money without having to work. Before we return to the software and begin, I explain how it works. You must visit the gold mine for generating money online. And it's a completely new website that we've never discussed on this channel before. And the URL to the website is cjinc.info. Let's have a look at how it works. This website is a commendable piece of creative work. This is accessible around the globe, so no matter where you're coming from, you can earn money using this website, whether you're from India, the Philippines, the United States, Canada, or Australia. This website is open to the public and anybody may use it to earn money for free. They will pay you for your time without requiring any investment. This website allows you to earn money in a variety of ways. But there will be one thing that we will do right now that will earn you the greatest money without you having to perform any of the hard work yourself. But if you want to make even more money and optimize your results, you may concentrate on other things like market research, typing tasks, proofreading, translation, advertising, and online teaching while the program performs the work for you. And once again, doing so is entirely voluntary. But even with just one type of job, which the program will handle for you, you may earn a considerable amount of money every day. The website has been up since 2014, which indicates that it's a pretty good website. It has been in use for many years. I mean, if it didn't work, they'd definitely vanish. They were founded in the same year but have been online for nearly 8 years and counting. Now, if you go to the official webpage, you can hover your cursor over the word Career. And this will provide you with a list of several tasks that you may perform on this website to earn money. Everything from online paid surveys to online typing jobs, online ad publication, medical transcription, and so on and so forth is available. However, it will solely concentrate on online proofreading jobs that pay $5 to $10 per 1,000 words. And what you're doing right now is fixing grammatical errors, spelling problems, and factual inaccuracies. All you have to do now is finish the work of fixing grammatical faults. Don't worry, you don't have to be a native English speaker. You do not need to be proficient in any way, because the free program I'm going to offer with you will take care of all of that tedious labor for you. You just copy and paste the article into the program and it performs the rest. All you have to do is to just return here and collect your money. For the time being though, just click on Online Proofreading Jobs to learn more. You can learn more about how it works here. You may learn more about the nature of the work, the job rates, and how much they will pay you. As you can see, you can make $5 to $10 every page or 1,000 words as a proofreader. And I've seen some tasks that are as lengthy as 20 pages each piece, which, if you do the math, may wind up being approximately $200 that you didn't have to do yourself since, as I previously said, skills are not required. We'll do everything for you. Now here's an example article I discovered on this website. If you apply for a job, you'll get something like this. As you can see, you can open the document and view this content over here. I'm going to provide you the program that will handle all of the work for you, so you won't have to do any of the hard work. All you have to do is copy this whole article and put it in the program. Before we go to that program, and before I offer you that free tool, I need to teach you how to apply for a job and where to acquire this article. So come over to this page. Go to cjinc.info, which is the URL to this website. Scroll down a little bit and click on Apply for Employment, and then download the application form. Then you'll see this registration form which you'll need to fill out. We'll need to choose a job, and your work for the time being will be proofreading. So choose proofreading jobs. Put your first and last name and your email address. Now, you must submit your email address so that they may offer you future employment opportunities. You add your birth date, gender, whether or not you're married, and your phone number so they may contact you if more employment becomes available. Now here's the thing. If you want to optimize your performance and receive more projects to finish in order to make more money on this website, what I propose is that you pick Employed here, where it states current professional status, and then select Employed and Freelancer. That way they'll be able to send more jobs your way. If you choose Jobless, they may interpret this as you being lazy and not doing any work, and they may not give you those tasks to finish. So the best option is to choose between Hired and Freelancing. And next, what hours are you available to work? I strongly advise you to check both of these options, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. You're sort of free all day since you don't have to do the task yourself. As I previously said, completing a task takes less than a minute, less than 60 seconds. You may do it at any time and from any location. You don't have to sit in front of your computer all day. You can be wherever you want. You simply get an email from them, check whether you got the job, copy the text, paste it into the program, the software does the work for you, and you come back to collect your cash. And finally, since you want to collaborate with as many organizations as possible, I propose that you choose numerous companies so you may earn more money and then just choose your payment method, whichever you want to get paid. PayPal is my preferred payment method, so that's what I'd go with. And then I'll submit my PayPal email address so they may pay me immediately via PayPal. Before checking this box, please sure you read this article. And sure, you are finished once you click the Submit button. You have finished filling out the form, and you'll start getting those jobs soon. They provide you an article, but how do you fix those grammatical errors? Again, just go through the full article and duplicate it. Click on it, copy the full content, and then go to slickwrite.com. This is a completely free bot that will handle everything for you. They will repair all of your grammatical faults in a matter of seconds. In seconds, you can check your grammar. And as you can see, the Sleek Write is a strong free tool that makes it simple to check writing for grammatical faults, possible stylistic flaws, and other intriguing features. The grammar checker is quick. You just paste your text and it performs the work for you. And you're ready to utilize it and make money from innovative projects. So simply go to slickwrite.com and test the demo, watch the video, and see how it works. You may just start writing and make money now. The second piece of software is named app.grammarly.com. You may also go to Google and search for Grammarly Proofreading, which will bring you to this website where you can paste your content into this box. And it will also highlight all of the mistakes. After you're done editing, you just copy this whole post, return to Creative Jobs, submit your project, and you may earn anywhere from $10 to $200 or even $300 each task completed. It was as easy as copying and pasting some text. To summarize once again, just go to cjinc.info, apply for those positions, get accepted for those jobs, obtain an article that looks like this, replicate it, and utilize some of the free tools that I've shared with you in this video. You copy and paste your article here. The programs I shared correct all of the grammar problems, after which you copy the complete article with no grammatical flaws. Return to this page, paste it, and receive your profits. It's quite basic and straightforward. I believe that anybody can accomplish this since, as you can see, no prior expertise is required. You are not required to sell anything. You don't have to wait for sales to come in. This is not affiliate marketing, and it's simply one of the simplest methods to generate money online that I've just discovered. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.